Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Nadia Careena Binti Norsahar. Today I will present about Ijaro wa Istina. Ijaro wa Istina is a financial Islamic contract where it is include manufacturer contract and leasing contract that made by two parties. So what is Istina and what is Ijaro? How does these two contracts work together? Let me explain in the next video. In simple terms, Istina contract is a manufacturer contract where one party will request to another party to construct something that not exists yet. This contract will be used for projects that need construction such as building or house. After the construction asset is finished, the ownership of the asset will remain to the manufacturer. In this situation, the manufacturer is the bank. Meanwhile, Ijaro contract is a contract of giving someone a right to use an asset in exchange for a payment, which means the owner of the asset will lease or rental an asset to the customer for a fixed rental payment. Since Ijaro contract is based on rental concept, then the ownership of the asset will remain to the owner. The customer only has a right to use the asset until they finish it, pay. So, how Ijaro and Istina can work together? The first one, the customer will approach the bank first for a financing project, and they will state what specification they want on the project. After that, the bank will use Istina contract with a contractor, which means bank will pay the contractor to construct the assets, and the contractor will build according to the agreed specifications. Once the bank become the owner of the finished asset, they finally can enter Ijaro contract with the customer, which means customer can use the assets and pay rental monthly to the bank, and the bank will remain as the owner and will earn profit through the rental. Once the contract is end, the customer has various ownership options they can choose, whether they want to keep renting, buy the asset, return the asset, or find another asset. In conclusion, Ijaro wa Istina contract give the customer a various of benefit, where it give options to own the assets after it done. Other than that, it is also a low risk contract where the customer only need to pay after the asset is exist. Other than that, the rental payment also affordable for the customer. Lastly, and most important, the customer does not have to think much about the large capital they need to build or buy the assets. That's all from me. Thank you.